Hello guys, I'm going to tell you how to make LinkedIn account. So open browser, linkedin.com, join now, click on join now, put the email, password, agree and join. First name, last name, continue. Verify. The country is India and district is Pune, Maharashtra. Most recent job. Put the job title. Full-time company. If you are student, put the student, click on I am student and continue. You get a mail on you got code 6-digit code on email ID. So go to email, copy that and paste here. Agree and confirm. Not now. Click on not now. Skip. So our LinkedIn account is okay. Make sure to send some connection, add connection. Connect. Done. Click on next. Add profile picture. Skip. You can skip it. Skip. Let's follow some pages. Your LinkedIn account is ready. Okay. How to send friend request? Go to the search bar, search people, Ameya Agrawal.